Hello YouTube channel. So Miguel is helping me out with the garden. Kay obviously, unfortunately, I injured my Achilles tendon. So I'm out of action for a few weeks. So he's kindly helped me out with my garden, with our garden. So summertime na po sa UK, so it's that time of the year.